Welcome back to Visibility Hacking Radio.
Hello, Visibility Hackers. It's fantastic to have you back for yet another episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. We're going to deep dive into one of the most impactful aspects of running a successful coaching business in the digital age. Yes, I'm talking about the art and science of designing and balancing synchronous and asynchronous content. In this episode, we're going to delve into the importance of both synchronous and asynchronous content, especially for those of you in the coaching business. We'll discuss what these terms mean, their benefits, and how to strategically implement them in your content strategy for maximum impact.
Welcome to Visibility Hacking Radio, where we empower visionary leaders to amplify their message, ignite their mission, and unleash their movement. Are you ready to create a lasting impact and reach new heights? Let's dive in. Hosted by Toronto's own Molle, a seasoned expert in out-of-the-box branding for visionary leaders, Visibility Hacking Radio brings you valuable insights, powerful strategies, and actionable tips from leading experts and entrepreneurs. Get ready to be inspired, informed, and transformed as we dive into today's episode of Visibility Hacking Radio. Amplify your message, ignite your mission, and unleash your movement.
Now, if you are wondering what synchronous and asynchronous content is, let me break it down for you. Synchronous content is real-time interaction with your audience, like live coaching sessions, webinars, or live Q&As. On the other hand, asynchronous content includes pre-recorded videos, podcasts, blog posts, that kind of stuff. Essentially anything that your audience can consume on their own time at their own pace. Both of these content types have their own unique strengths. Synchronous content offers real-time engagement, creating a strong sense of community. It allows immediate feedback, questions, interaction, which can be powerful tools for a coach. Asynchronous content, on the other hand, provides flexibility for your audience. It allows them to engage with your content when it suits them best, which can increase overall engagement and reach. However, the real magic happens when you balance and blend both types of content in your strategy. This approach offers a mix of real-time engagement and flexibility that can greatly enhance your relationship with your audience. One strategy that I've found incredibly effective is repurposing my synchronous content into asynchronous content, or evergreen content, we call it. For example, taking a live coaching session that can be recorded, edited, and then repackaged into several bite-sized videos, like, those shorts, reels, etc. Maybe they can even be put into blog posts or podcast episodes. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. This not only maximizes the value of your content, but it also ensures it reaches a broader audience. However, it's important to remember that not all content is suitable for all platforms. The key is to understand your audience's preferences and use the unique value that each content type and platform can offer. In other words, speak the language of each platform. So that's a wrap on today's discussion about synchronous and asynchronous, or synchronous and evergreen content in your coaching business. Remember, it's all about balance and leveraging the strength of both content types to truly engage with your audience. Stay tuned for our next episode. Make sure you come hang out with us on Spotify, and you can drop us a voicemail while you're at it. Until I see you again, my friends, remember, I love you. Be excellent to each other, and I'll see you next time.
Another fantastic episode of Visibility Hacking Radio comes to a close. We hope you've gained valuable insights and tools to help you on your journey to greater success. Stay informed and ahead of the curve by subscribing to our newsletter at visibilityhacking.com/newsletter. You'll receive the latest news, updates, and exclusive content to support your message, mission, and movement. And remember to subscribe, rate, and review the podcast. Until next time, be excellent to each other.